Well, one more month in September. I have to remove my fence, and the poor kitties will have their catio removed. Why? Because I'm going to bring the car in and store it in the garage during the winter months. And I have to remove this and the removable gate. One more month, Miss Commissioner. Yeah, it's a pretty girl. It's a pretty girl. Nice, okay. Nice, okay, Louise. But they always have this catio. They come out through the window, and then they can travel across the tunnel to the 8 foot by 8 foot. This is up all winter. I do wrap it with more weatherized tarps so the wind and the snow doesn't blow in. But they come out in the winter, maybe a half hour at a time. Now remember, if you watch my YouTube videos, I created a DIY video where I purchased this and how I assembled it. So be sure to head to my YouTube channel, Legacy's Little Luxuries. And back in 2020, I had a gazebo up there, and that's where I barbecued and had a picnic. But I wanted to place the catio up there for a couple reasons, and I tell you why on the video. But then I thought, what am I going to do with the gazebo? And I showed you guys that I decided to make an enclosed garden. And I bought netting, and then I placed fencing around it because we have rabbits and opossums and raccoons that dig under. And then I placed a greenhouse tarp on the top. I trimmed up my peaches and I trimmed up the apple tree so the fruit does not fall on the top of the roof. And I did poke some holes in the tarp so when it rains, I get free water. So here we are, August 2nd. Here's an update on my garden. If you want to see how I built this, look here on TikTok. Coming along. Cauliflower, broccoli, tomatoes, and of course some cucumbers. And it's holding up really well. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to still harvest in November and December. No bugs. The netting prevents any insects and bugs from entering the little greenhouse here. So it's all organic. Well, that's an update here in August 2022, Bay City, Michigan. See you again soon. This is Babcia from Legacy's Little Luxuries, signing off. Bless.